Afternoon or good morning, Key Stage 1. I'm really glad that you've been able to join me today for this assembly. We are going to be focusing on the value of different coins and notes, and we're going to be looking at the Great British Pound currency. Okay, so we're going to be looking at GBP today, the Great British Pound. This is the symbol for the pound, and you can see it here, and for pence. And all of the money that we have in this country and within Great Britain is measured in pounds or pence. So it's not the same as when you're measuring something with a ruler, where you might be using centimeters or meters. With money, we measure in pounds and pence. So let's have a look at some of the coins that we have available within Great Britain. So our smallest coin available to us is 1p or 1 pence. The second biggest coin is 2 pence, and you can see that 1p and 2p are both copper coloured coins. We then move up to our silver coins, and our silver coins are the 5p, 10p, 20p and 50p, and these coins are all less than £1. And £1 is our next coin that we're going to be looking at just here. And our final coin today is the £2 coin, which you can see in the bottom of your screen over here. Sorry about that. So these are the coins that we have available to us to use in this country, and we can have different varieties of amounts of certain coins to make other values. So I know if I have 10 1p coins, I have 10p. I know that if I have 2 1p coins, that is the same as 2p. And I can go through and work out how many 1p coins would I need for 5p. You're right, I would need 5 1p coins to make 5p. If I've got a 10p coin, how many 10p coins will I need to make 20p? I can use my rolling fingers for that. 10, 20. 2 lots of 10 is 20. So I would need 2 10p pieces to make 1 20p. Okay, what about the £2 coin then? How many £1 coins will I need to make £2? That's right, for £2 I will need 2 £1 coins. Now, we also have to think about how many pennies we would need, how many 1p coins we would need to make £1. So if you have an adult with you now, this might be a nice point to turn and talk. How many pence are there in a pound? Have a think. If you don't know, that's absolutely fine. That's what we're here for today, to learn about the value of coins. Great, let's find out. £1 equals, which means the same as, they're the same as 100 pennies. So it would be much easier to have 5 £1 coins than it would be to carry a bag of 500 pennies. So by having different coins with different values, it means we don't have to carry as much money around with us. Can you imagine how heavy it would be if we had to pay for everything in pennies? It's a lot easier to be able to pay in pounds. However, at the moment, people are using less and less amounts of coins because with coronavirus, it is easier to pay using a digital debit or credit card by tapping and having the money taken straight from your bank account electronically. But a lot of places still allow us to pay in cash, and we call pounds and pennies and pence and notes cash. Cash. It doesn't just have to be on a card. So, we don't just have coins in this country, in Great Britain, we also have notes. And some of the notes that we have the £5 note, the £10 note, and the £20 note. £20 is the same as 20 £1 coins. £10 is the same as 10 £1 coins. £5 is the same as 5 £1 coins. I've got a challenge for you. Which of these is the smallest coin? Which one has the smallest value? Can you arrange them from smallest to biggest? You may like to pause this now before I go through the answer. If you're watching again now, hopefully you've given this a go. 1p, is that the smallest? Yes, 1p, our copper coins are the smallest coins we have. Our second smallest coin is the 2p. Which one is bigger or smaller? Is 5p bigger or smaller than 20p? 5p is smaller than 20p, but bigger than 2p. And finally, 20p is our biggest coin. But in size, 20p is actually smaller than a 2p. So although this coin looks bigger, it doesn't have the same value. It is smaller than a 20p. So, greater than or less than? Which one is worth more money? Is 20p worth more money? Or is 50p worth more money? Which one is worth the most amount of money? Which one would you rather be given? Again, if you've got an adult that you can talk to, now is a good time. You may like to pause this video. £20p. What do I know about number? Is 20p bigger or smaller than 50p? Well, they're both pence, so I don't have to think about pounds. 20p. 20 is smaller than 50p. It is less than. So 20 is less than 50. We're nearly at the end of our challenges. 2 more to go. Challenge number 3. 20p is greater, which means bigger, than 4 other coins. Which coins are smaller than 20p? See if you can remember. Again, you might like to pause this video. Which coins were smaller than 20p? Well, 50p I remember is bigger than 20p, and I know a pound is bigger than 20p. Oh, I could have a 1 penny, a 2 penny, a 5p, and a 10p. 1p, 2 pennies, 5p, 10p. Yeah, they are all smaller than 20p. Final challenge. Bigu took some money from Earth. She had a 10p and a £1 coin. Bigu thinks that £1 is less than 10p, as the 10p coin looks to be the bigger coin. Is Bigu correct? Can you explain your answer to a parent? I can see why Bigu thinks that. I mean, the 10p does look bigger. What do I know about pennies? How many pennies are there in a pound? There are 100 pennies in a pound. So is 100 pennies bigger than 10 pennies? Or is 10 pennies bigger than 100 pennies? 10 pennies is much smaller than 100 pennies, which means Bigu is wrong because £1 is more than 10p.